Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic, timeless, and frankly, drop-dead gorgeous makeup looks ever. The smoky eye, but we're not just doing any smoky eye. We're creating the perfect, sultry, evening-ready smoky eye that's tailored specifically for your asterisk face shape. Forget those one-size-fits-all tutorials that leave you looking like you've been in a boxing match. Today, it's all about enhancing your unique beauty and making your features pop. So, why is tailoring your smoky eye so important? Well, just like a great haircut, the right makeup placement can completely transform your look. It's all about playing with light and shadow to create balance and draw attention to your best features. A smoky eye isn't just about piling on dark eyeshadow. It's a strategic art form. When you understand your face shape, you can use the depth and intensity of a smoky eye to sculpt, define, and absolutely mesmerize, ready to unlock your ultimate evening glam. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about oval faces. If you have an oval face, you're in luck. This shape is considered very balanced, so you can pull off almost any style of smoky eye for a classic evening look. I recommend focusing the deepest color along the lash line and blending it upwards and outwards into a soft, diffused wing shape. This will elongate your eyes and add a touch of elegant drama without overwhelming your balanced features. Start with a medium-toned brown or gray in the crease as your transition shade. Then pack a deep black or charcoal right at the lash line, smoking it out with a small, dense brush. A pop of shimmer on the center of the lid will catch the light beautifully. Now, for my friends with round or square faces, our goal here is to add a bit of lift and elongation to the face. The key is to create a more almond-like eye shape using your eyeshadow. Instead of blending in a rounded dome, focus on creating an upward and outward V shape on the outer corner of your eye. Think cat eye, but softer and smokier. Use your darkest shade to create that sharp angle on the outer corner, and then blend it softly into the crease, but don't bring the dark color too far inwards. Keeping the inner half of your eyelid brighter with a lighter, shimmery shade will open up the eyes and create a beautiful contrast that lifts and defines it. This technique draws the eye upwards, counteracting the roundness or width of the face. What if you have a heart-shaped face with a wider forehead and a more tapered chin? We want to create balance by emphasizing the eyes without making the top half of the face appear wider. A great way to do this is with a softer, more rounded, smoky eye. Instead of a sharp, angular wing, focus on blending your shadows in a gentle halo effect. Place your darkest shade on both the inner and outer thirds of the eyelid, leaving the center of the lid bright. This is often called a halo eye, and it creates the illusion of bigger, rounder eyes, which beautifully balances a pointed chin. Keep the shadow concentrated on the lid and blend it softly just above the crease, avoiding extending it too far out towards the temples. And for those with long or rectangular faces, the goal is to create a bit more width. We can achieve this by extending the eyeshadow horizontally. When you apply your smoky shadow, really focus on blending it outwards, straight towards your temples, rather than flicking it upwards into a wing. A smudgy, lived-in liner that extends horizontally on both the top and bottom lash lines will work wonders. This horizontal emphasis will make your eyes appear wider, which in turn helps to create the illusion of a slightly wider, more balanced face shape. Keep the blending soft and avoid any harsh vertical lines. No matter your face shape, the key to a flawless evening smoky eye is blending, blending, and more blending. Use a clean, fluffy brush to diffuse any harsh edges between colors, and don't be afraid to experiment. Makeup is all about having fun and expressing yourself. These are just guidelines to help you understand the principles of light and shadow, so you can adapt them to create a look that makes you feel absolutely incredible. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and mastering the art of the face-flattering smoky eye. I hope you feel empowered to rock this look for your next evening out. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Let me know in the comments which face shape you have and if you'll be trying out these tips. I love hearing from you all. Stay gorgeous and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.